Good morning, class. How are you all? I am fine. I am happy. I am here to teach you your favorite subject, and that is arts. Welcome back to your arts class. This is the fun subject. We are not supposed to read, we are not supposed to write. There are no kind of nothing. You just need to draw, you just need to color. I think many of you like coloring, na? Some of people do not like, but it is all right. Whoever likes, it is the fun activity for that person. Well, tell me what we did in the next previous week. Yes, we did primary colors. We did primary colors. I gave you the intro of primary colors. Now, today the topic is also so interesting. I'm going to teach you about the secondary colors. It is an intro of secondary colors. Then next week, the topic would be like different. You will be doing primary and secondary colors all together. Today, I am going to teach you secondary colors. It is basically an intro of secondary colors. As you know, that secondary colors are those colors which are made with the mixture of primary colors. Okay, but there are, if I can say, there are three colors that are called primary colors, and they are. Do you have any idea what are they? First of all, tell me what are the primary colors. Red, yellow, and blue are the primary colors. So, what are the secondary colors? Secondary colors are green, orange, and purple. Okay, I am not having in my poster paints colors that I can show you, but I can show you in the form of crayons. Green, orange, and the third is purple. Orange, orange, purple. Fine. If you can see, that's in my hand. I'm gonna show you. See, it is a. See, it is a. It's a purple color. Then it is a green color, and the third one is a orange color. We are having three basic colors, like they are called secondary colors. These colors can be made with a mixture of primary colors. The primary colors are red. I'm going to show you the primary colors also. Well, instead of taking out, I have the new pastels actually. I'm going to show you those. Mm, Primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. You need to see like this. These are our primary colors, blue, yellow, and red. When we mix, when we mix actually blue and yellow, we got the color green. I am going to show you how. We will mix blue and yellow. See, this is blue, this is yellow. Then we will get the color green. I am going to show you how. Okay. First of all, I am going to open it. I am going to open this also. Then I am going to take a brush, and then I have to take a cup of water because I need to mix in this so you will come to know. Here I took a small amount of blue color. I am mixing it in water. I'm trying to break the small pieces into something. If it is not visible to you, you can tell me, ma'am, we can't see the cup or something, okay? Okay, blue color is visible to you. I'm going to take small amount of yellow now. See? And you are able to see the green color. What a wonderful thing. See? This is called secondary color. With which colors I have mixed? I have mixed yellow and blue. I got green. Got it, class? This is our secondary color with the mixing of two colors that are called blue and Yellow. Now I am going to do the next color, yellow plus red. Okay, I'm going to do yellow and red. Let me show you that. Here I am having red color in my hand. Yellow was already opened. Going to open this one, keeping it here. Took another cup of water, clean water. So I am taking amount of yellow color. Same process I'm going to do. That is, yellow has been mixed. Yellow is mixed now. Going to add red. Took a small amount of red and mixed it. Ah, it is the kind of orange juice. Yes, I have made an orange color with the mixing of two more colors. Yes. So we are done with the two colors. What is left now? Yes, green is left now. Now we can make green color with the mixing of red and blue. The mixing of red and blue. Wait, we are going to do this. Actually, I was unable to get the same cup, so I have a glass now, okay? I am going to show you blue and red, I told you. Actually, I have a short memory. Yes, red and blue we are going to mix now. This is the blue color. The blue color is in my hand. And this is a red color. I will take a small amount of blue first. See, I took it. I'm going to mix it in the water. I need to, yes, I need to break these tits and bits. Now I am going to add this red color. I think blue amount is more than red now. This is why it is not mixed well. I'm going to add more red because I have added more blue. Okay, I have taken more amount of red. I hope it will change now. Yeah, the color is changing now. Yes, we got a purple color. So class, I hope you have gotten. No, actually I will take this board. From there, sorry. Look, kind of drinks. Purple color is the mixture of red and blue. Green color is the mixture of yellow and blue. Orange color is the mixture of yellow and red. So we are done with our secondary colors. Intro of secondary colors and how we are gonna do the secondary colors. Okay, class? I hope you have enjoyed it a lot. I want you to do it at home and do some practice and do these drawings on your different pages and then show it to everyone that we can make the colors by adding the colors in a different way. This is all about our arts class that was on secondary colors. Take care of you, class. Till the time, take care, Allah Hafiz. Do watch this video again and again for better understanding.